Today, we're watching a video from Crayo AI founder Daniel Bitton sharing his tips on how to go viral using YouTube Shorts. And if you're serious about going viral, Crayo AI is the perfect tool. It streamlines creating viral content with AI-powered voiceovers, subtitles, and video editing, letting you make shorts in seconds. Whether it's fake text videos, Reddit stories, or more, Crayo AI's templates make it easy for anyone, from creators to influencers. Ready to try it? Click the link below and start creating viral content with Crayo AI today.
In the last 3 months, I've made over $50,000 posting YouTube Shorts without showing my face. Now, this might sound impossible, but I'm not even the only one. Shorts are becoming a great way for people to make bank from anywhere in the world, and it's honestly 10 times better than posting long-form videos. See, making long-form videos requires you to have to sit down to make these 8 to 10 minute pieces of content, whereas on Shorts, it's typically between 20 to 50 seconds, and the amount of views you can get is like 10 times higher. But the argument that a lot of people come back with is the fact that long-form pays a lot more than Shorts, which is true, but the fact that you can get so many views with Shorts so easily completely destroys that topic. See, I have videos that I've posted that have gotten over 10, 20, 30 million views and literally took me a few minutes to make that ended up earning me thousands of dollars from just AdSense alone. You're never gonna see this on long form. You could get a few million views, make thousands of dollars, but these videos are gonna take hours and they're gonna take time to learn how to make, and a beginner is also gonna have like a 1% chance of making money on long form versus Shorts. I mean, the fact that you also really need to spend like no money to make any of these Shorts videos is insane. The ROI is pretty much 100%. It takes 2 minutes, you make it on your phone, and when you post it, you have the chance of making hundreds to thousands of dollars every single time. Because Shorts is now paying anywhere from 15 to 20 cents per thousand views, which means a million views on Shorts, which is pretty easy to get, is gonna make you $200 like that. And the fact that you can use these tools on your phone to make these videos instantly is the best part. Because the biggest thing everyone faces when starting businesses is the fact that it takes tons of time. And Shorts is one of those models that kind of solve that problem, and thankfully it gives me time to play more Minecraft with the boys. And there's even countless more arguments, but now that you've understood why Shorts are overpowered, it's time to talk about how to actually go viral posting them. And to do this, I'm gonna break down one of my most viral videos with over 90 million views, which today would have made me at least $10,000 from a literal 30-second video. So these are 3 reasons why this video blew up and how you could do the exact same thing. First was the retention. This video had over 100% of the people watching the entire way. That is an almost perfect video, which gives me the indication that I produced it in the right way. This is what you want to aim for when making your own content. You want to be at least hitting 80%, which means that 80% of the people watch your entire video on average. The lower you have, the less chances you have of going viral, because it shows that people don't really like what you put out. And the way that YouTube understand how to push your videos is if people want to stay on the platform longer to watch them. So before you put up your next video, make sure you know it's something that people are going to actually want to watch. I'm not trying to see a 30-second video of paint drying, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. But retention's not the only thing you have to look at when seeing if your video is gonna go viral, because swipe rate is just as important. See, swipe rate is the percentage of people that have viewed your video versus clicked off of it when it comes up on their feed. See, unlike long form, short videos don't have thumbnails, so people get forced to watch your video. And that can help or ruin you. The reason being, if someone gets forced your video and it's a good video, they're gonna watch it and YouTube just blessed you with another dollar. But if they don't, they're gonna swipe away, and that completely destroys your swipe rate. On this video with over 90 million views, the swipe rate was around 78%, which is really good for a video with 90 million. See, the reason for this is when you have less views, your swipe rate is usually gonna be a lot higher. And the number you wanna aim for is around 80 to 85%. When your video really starts to blow up though, it's gonna slowly go down as more people watch your video, which is completely normal. Swipe rate is made up of the intro and hook of your video. Those two need to be banger and locked in for people to want to stay and continue to watch the rest. If those are messed up, then you're low-key cooked from the start. I'm not gonna lie to you, but that's why you really need to put focus on those two. A lot of people don't even know this stat exists, which is crazy to me because it's one of the most important ones to telling if you're gonna go viral in the first place or not. So every time you post your video, analyze your swipe rate and make sure it stays above 80% minimum. And that's a step closer in turning you to a Shorts goat. But the last thing that made this video viral is the idea. So you could have amazing swipe rate and amazing retention, but if your idea sucks, nothing's really gonna happen. The reason for this is because it needs to be appealing to tons of people. If there's only 1,000 people in the world who enjoy videos around pencils, and I make one of those videos and have amazing stats, there's only really a cap of 1,000 people that are gonna watch it. But if I choose an idea that's appealing to millions and millions, and I get good stats on that one, then I'm gonna get paid enough to book a trip to Hawaii. So make sure you choose your ideas very wisely and that they can appeal to a very large group of people. But now that I've analyzed that video, what do you need to do in order to get yourself a channel that's gonna make you at least $5,000 a month with shorts? Well, it's pretty simple, and it all starts with finding your right niche. Short form audiences are generally pretty similar. Someone who watches TikTok has a high chance of enjoying similar content on YouTube Shorts, and the reason I know this is because the method I'm going to talk about now is taking a niche that works on another platform and bringing it over to yours. This has been done multiple times over by a lot of the biggest channels in the space now. For example, the Reddit stories. See, Reddit stories originated on TikTok and are a massive trend to this day, and they continue to make people thousands. But what a lot of people, including myself, saw in this niche was that if it was working on TikTok, I would take a chance to see if it could work on YouTube Shorts. And that's what I did by making a channel on this platform, and so did others. And the results we saw were insane. Millions of views and thousands of dollars from a completely different platform that enjoyed the same type of content. I basically got this niche handed to me in my hand for doing absolutely nothing but just scrolling on TikTok. And this can be done so consistently. There's probably so many niches out there that people are doing on TikTok that are making money. If you're able to go and find that, bring it over to YouTube and maybe change or tweak one or two things for shorts, bruv, you got a money printer, fam. So when you go find your niche, try this method and let me know how it goes. But after you found your niche, this next step could be the deciding factor whether you get views or not. And that might sound over dramatic, but it all has to do with upload frequency. See, a lot of people think that uploading more videos means you're gonna get more views, when on shorts, that's really not the case. YouTube has a massive problem dealing with AI and robots right now. So the thing that they don't want is for people to act inhuman. And the way they detect this sometimes is by seeing if people spam post videos on their channels. This used to be a glitch back then where people would post thousands of Minecraft videos a day and print millions of subscribers, but they stopped that, and to prevent that from happening again, they sometimes flag channels that post quite a lot, which is why the biggest thing I could recommend for you to not hit that 0 view glitch or get stuck in a weird shadow ban would be to post one video a day. Don't worry, you're not gonna lose out on views because you're not posting more. A lot of my friends posting videos that are making thousands of dollars like myself stick to this rule as well. And if you want to experiment, do it for a day or two, and if you see it doesn't work, go back, bruv. And even if this doesn't fix your 0 view glitch, I usually give my channels a 15 to 20 day testing period, because a video can pop out of nowhere even if you're stuck at 0 views. Just like my friend Fed, who literally followed my exact advice, and his channel's now on a route to making thousands of dollars just because he didn't stop. But before I continue, I know from the hundreds of messages I get on a daily basis, what you guys really want is a step-by-step system taking you through the process of starting, making, and running your channels from A to Z. All the lessons and strategies from someone like myself who does it at the highest level on a daily basis. So I have some insane news. For the last 6 months, I've been working on the best short form program on the internet. It's a full mentorship and course that shows you everything from start to finish on how to go from 0 to making over $5,000 per month minimum, posting short form content on YouTube. And the most exciting part is that I literally have a guarantee which ensures you that we will get you to $5,000 per month within 90 days of this mentorship. I've even brought on coaches to the team that each make multiple 5 figures per month posting faceless YouTube shorts, and are literally there to be your one-to-one support specifically for you. Any questions, private calls, all that good stuff. I go in so deep here that there's a whole module around rewiring your brain before you even start, as well as advanced monetization methods that has already gotten one of my students an over 60-cent RPM. I'm not even joking, that is a real number, which means for every 100 million views he gets, he's gonna make around $50,000 to $60,000. The results literally speak for themselves. So if you're serious about this, click the link in the description below to apply for the mentorship. I'm so excited about the results we're gonna produce out of this program, and I know a ton of people's lives are going to change, because I've witnessed firsthand how insane these strategies can be. So I'll see you guys on the other side of the portal.
Thanks for watching. We hope you found value in the video and picked up some great tips. If you're ready to start creating viral content, sign up using the link below and give Crayo AI a try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.